only thing I do is create monster if you can step on me. And I cannot do it no more. Because only thing me I do, I create people to tear down my business and feed them sell. And when you have a business and you only sell 1 bun and cheese a day, your business gone to a ground. And I can't suffer for people no more. I have a family and me have bills. And I can't say because you, I don't have a roof over my head. Because I look for myself as a workless man. I am not a workless man. You have to get up and do it for yourself sometime. And I saw me see it. I saw me see it. You see, when me say Willie step on the phone, say, I never do nothing for him yet. And all of this start because I not go own a gun or claim it. I sit down to myself and I say, Jaja dog, Jaja. That never hurt me. Disappointed. Big man thing, dog. Shit. Disappointed, dog. That should have come out of your mouth. Never come out of your mouth, bro. Never. And me, I want boy, I tell you this from day one. I not take no charge from my friend them. I sit down and I reason with you. Every single day before you go to jail. I tell you, say, every baby when I have them on the road or have them when I deal with other women. And I sit down and I reason and I say, this is the first relationship baby I ever going to have. The first relationship baby I ever going to have. Zai, me never got no date, no hospital appointment. Hakila, me never got no hospital appointment. I tell you, say, Yannick, baby, what she have in her belly. Her first relationship baby me ever have. I sit down and I reason with you, brother. Like, brother. The first day, when I make it to Pink Wall, you come over here and you want to take my slippers off of my foot and kiss it. Because you say, first you ever got Pink Wall and you feel good. And you say, big up yourself, you turn me in a star. So everything where they have said to me is win. You never mean nothing to me, brother. All these times they just envy me for everything when I have and gain. When I give opportunity to do the same thing. And every opportunity you get is you're flying woman and sex. And look how you make people deal with me, Willie. Willie we're under my roof every day. Willie when me give love every day. Willie when me feed every day. Willie, you is a snake. You is a vampire youth. Me not rate you again, brother. To all you, the love when me have for you, you disappoint me, dog. You disappoint me wickedest way. You disappoint me. But me know where this a come from, because it's bigger. Me know. Claim when they want me claim. When they want Yannick go on a rental paper for your car. When they want me claim things. But none of them not tell the people them story. But you, Willie, when me love with all of my heart and have you as brother, for when you make people talk about me, say I'm not a leader. And how me deal with situation, bro. You disappoint me, dog. You disappoint me, bro. Big man thing, bro. Disappoint me, dog. To how you make people deal with me. Me never dare expect that from Willie. Me not expect that from Chevy. Me not expect that from Mika. Me not expect that from Butter. These people These are people when me have so lock up in my thing. So these are people, Chevy, Mika, Butter, Willie. These are people when me lock up in my arms. So when me love every day, bro. These people me love every day. Me have them so every day. And me see you come out of a circle, dog, and you make people deal with me, so bro. After I love them, me have you. Big man thing, bro. Me disappoint me, dog. You shouldn't make people deal with me, so. Because deep down you know, say, I'm not that youth where you go up on the speakerphone and say me is. And God gonna have in ways with you and deal with you in a year way. I mean, I wish nothing bad for you. I still want you to come out the road. You know why you got Jamaica? Jamaica have nothing for half of you. Big up yourself. Me not scream, me not shout, just I tell you how me feel. Me not scream, me not shout. I calmest this me ever talk to now. I'm it off my chest now. It off my chest. And I feel second now. God going to talk, man. You see me?